If I had to compare the performance of the essential oil diffuser, I am not so in favor of humidifier and diffuser together, but I must say that one although I didn't want to use it as a diffuser to begin with, but I said, okay, you know what, let's put it side by side and see which one puts out most of the scent. And this one right here, the scent it disperses over 1 hour. That one is much more stronger, and both of them are using 5 to 6 drops. So I find this one is diffusing, to me it's diffusing more than this one. This one, it maybe because that one has much more mist output than this one is very light, maybe that's why. But one thing is bothering me much, this one is loud, this one is very loud, and I'm thinking about returning this one and getting a humidifier instead, because one is gonna work as humidifier and I can put it in another room, and this one not much of a humidifier, but at the same time this one also works as oil diffuser, and it does it faster than this one. So I'll have to see if I'm gonna keep this. This one is pretty. This one looks nice on tabletop, and it has music, and music, even if you put music, you can still hear the noise. You have to actually put volume up in order to hear the music versus the noise that it outputs naturally. So that's my verdict. I'm gonna see. I like the look of it, but not a fan of the noise that this one has. Again, noise level. So let's do a noise test. So you can see it's usually around 38, 39, and if I turn it on, noise level at 58. Now the humidifier at noise level 39 usually, without turning it on, and I'm gonna see how much it sounds when I turn it on. So it's at 49.50, and clearly if I have to rate this one for sound and noise level compared to the one over here, man, this one is loud. this is loud by 8 and 9 decibels. So for sure, for the noise level, you may want to go with this humidifier. I just don't understand why a small device like this, not even putting out the level of mist that this one puts out, why does it make so much noise?